This cinematic ad that you're about to see was made using two AI tools, Higgsfield and Claude, and that's not it. There is That was cool, right? So let's see how I made that. But before that, you should know that every single ad existing has two parts. First, the origin, the storyline. Second, the cinematic shots. For example, if I had to make an ad for anything in this room, maybe this laptop. So I will begin from showing the story first in the first half, and the second half I will show the cinematic shots of different angles, from this angle, from that angle, whatever you like. And you must have seen in my particular video, it was mostly based on the cinematic shots, because once you learn that, you can carry forward the same workflow for the storyline as well. So we will start by making the cinematic video first. Okay, before we start, I will tell you the basic workflow. The first step is to make some photos using ChatGPT 2 in Higgsfield. The second step is to make those photos into videos using Seedance. The last step is to combine those videos from Seedance and make it into a complete ad. So let's start from the photos. First, I will go to Pinterest and I will search for luxury ads with model about shoes. And this one is a nice photo. Okay, so this gives me an idea that every single frame should be around shoes. Wide angle shots are looking pretty damn good, to be honest. Okay, so let's use maybe this one. Okay, I'll take a screenshot of this and I will give it to Claude. Provide a prompt to generate this kind of pictures for my slippers brand. Okay, be specific and concise, and let us not use Fable for this kind of work. Okay, once you have your prompt, copy your prompt and go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt over there. Okay, so we will also need the pictures of Paragon slipper, so we will search that Paragon slippers. Okay, this one has a very clear picture. Let's save this. Take a screenshot of this, take your prompt, go to ChatGPT in Higgsfield, paste the prompt, paste your slipper, and you can choose the settings according to your liking. I prefer landscape because landscape looks more cinematic. Okay, it's generating. In the meantime, how about I turn this into a transparent laptop? It's cool, right? This was done using Flow. I'll teach you that in a different video. Okay, we have a photo ready. This looks good actually. Take it, we can use this one. Save this photo and come to video section here and give your photo and give this exact same prompt. Okay, it doesn't have to be an 8-second video. I'll choose 5 seconds. That should be enough. This should be in landscape, as we know, and you can choose the quality from your preference. Let's just hit generate. Okay, this takes some time. So by the meantime, I can convert this laptop. Okay, I won't do that again. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's see. That was weird. But yeah, we can use this part. Okay, so notice one thing. You might not have to use the entire video every single time. You can use a particular part of that video. So I'll just save this one. One more thing, there is no hard and fast rule. You can use whatever prompt you like. So I will go with a different prompt. Say I'll ask Claude to give me a different prompt for a different video. Okay, so let's try this prompt. I'll copy this and paste it into Higgsfield and hit generate. This looks pretty good actually. I didn't expect the Claude to be so good. Sorry, Seedance to be so good. If you zoom over here, you can see even the dust particles are getting attached to the slipper. This is so freaking cool. Okay, similarly, I have made few more videos and I'll show you that. This one is pretty cool actually. I like this one. For this one, I can use this particular part. Okay, for this one, I think we have some issue over here. We can regenerate this one. This looks fine. This looks so cool actually. I love this one. I like the fact that every single shot is wide angle and it follows the exact same rotation pattern. I can use all these things for match cut. Basically, match cut is like, suppose I am doing this. The second video starts from the exact same moment I paused the first video. That was match cut. Okay, now the final part, combining all these videos into a single ad. I will be using Premiere Pro for that. You can use CapCut, VN or whatever you like. Get all the clips here and then we can start editing. I'll put the audio and arrange the video in the sequence I want. Personally, I prefer the sequence where the start is very slow and then we have a drop and then the video takes the pace. And make sure you keep the starting as short as possible, maybe like for 7 seconds or 8 seconds. Okay, so now let's play this one final time. I think it looks pretty cool actually. Okay, so there you go. Using the same workflow, you can make the first part as well, which was the storyline. And then you can combine them and make a complete ad ready all by yourself. Just one tool, few prompts and the entire ad is ready. So like this video and subscribe for more such content and tell me in the comments what do you want next. I will see you in the next one.